Yes, this is the affidavit of Miss Rachel O'Barr from the firm Anderson, Julian Hall. This is why laws need to be changed to hold people accountable for their actions. Because every day I get up in the morning, I put my feet on the ground, it's a new day. Because what I read today, clearly again, I can't understand why the Supreme Court agreed with the, affirmed with the commission, other than to help protect Lynn Luker, legislator, because in the defendant's respondent's objection to appellant's motion for stay and affidavit in support of motion for stay of all proceedings served February 14th of 2013, which was supposed to have been mute, but again, they're using it in here, and February 27th of 2013, page 3. Right down here, but I was denied, based upon Steve Kenyon, the clerk of the court. But again, right here, it states, each entitled request for additional records were altered after they were submitted to the Industrial Commission. You see that? Again, stated by the law firm that they were altered after the commission received them. And then Miss Wilson/Arnold, clerk of the records for the Industrial Commission, disappears like a fart in the wind, so I can't ask her any questions. But I was denied my stay of all proceedings, even though I was sending to the Supreme Court documents. And then Steve Kenyon, in regards to altered medical reports that had the firm Anderson, Julian Hall on them, clearly I was trying to get things to the Supreme Court, but because of the alterations of documents as I'm sending them, of course, the claimant doesn't know what is before the Supreme Court. Straight up. I was denied final review of all records by the Industrial Commission. I was denied to review the records that were sent to the Supreme Court. Even though I was sent as some kind of a CD, but there was some pages that were missing, and I did contact Steve Kenyon in regards to that, but he wouldn't talk. He wouldn't, you got everything there. I go, well, what about these parts where it says exhibits? Where's the exhibits? So again, I truly don't know what. And then on top of it, on September 23rd of 2012, I hand-delivered to the Industrial Commission a letter in regards to the hearing worksheet, which was due on September 23rd. But what the Idaho State Industrial Commission also did, through Miss Wilson/Arnold, again, who no longer works there, tried to get me set up this appointment or this hearing the very next day, which there was no way that me nor my lady could make it there safely. And on top of it, the Industrial Commission had a hearing and then lied about that I never contacted them or they don't know what happened to me. But I delivered in person my hearing worksheet on September 23rd when it was due. But then they tried to say that I set up also a hearing on the same day of the agency's records, which is what the hearing was based on, is to set up time-wise to have a hearing set for those records. But instead they had the records, they had a hearing on the records that morning, And when me and Elaine Kerr appeared at the Industrial Commission, we asked them about that they had the hearing. They refused to tell me straight out. All I wanted was a yes or no answer. And there is a police report involved in this because they called the police. The police came, and I left because, again, I wasn't doing anything wrong. What I was doing was asking a yes or no question, and they would not answer if they, in fact, had that hearing this morning without me. So, but then when I got home, yeah, they sure did. They had it without me. So again, I was denied that. I was denied again by the Industrial Commission to be at a hearing to dispute records because they don't want me there because they're altered and fraudulent documents that are there. So again, I am going to request a hearing, a new hearing or whatever I got to do, but I got to do it before the 4th of next month. And I'm running low and I'm running short and I'm getting stressed out because I ain't got nobody that was willing to stand up and help me. But here it is, right there. You know, the firm even states that these records were altered. Well, hell yeah, they were. And so were the ones that she was talking about. Because there's no way that you can have Daryl Holloway and Sandy Baskett on the same page talking about the same identical thing. Now, I could understand if, say, when, you know, the statement of 725 of Sandy Baskett's records states that that I contacted Sandy Baskett on 725 of 08 and requested a copy of this job site evaluation that wasn't in the records, but only a document speaking about these attached documents that they withheld from me when sending me records to review. How were they able to send me back to work? Now, and the money that I was entitled to, even though they say they paid it to me, well, they didn't pay it to me until after I snapped, and so, you know, they didn't pay it to me until August. Okay, so I had to fight for it for a couple months, but they're making it sound like they paid it to me before August. So anyway, I will be coming because there's a document from the law firm of Anderson, Julian Hall clearly states also that these records that I was trying to get a hearing for stay of all proceedings, that I was told I was denied, but I still have not yet received from Steve Kenyon an order for that denial. Maybe when I show up on the 4th, I'll get one.